why did we choose Evo for the solar project? We actually looked around quite a few companies, and what happened was that we did a bit of research. We liked what we saw on the YouTube videos, particularly things with art boxes and the quality of your work and everything. And then we got in contact with yourselves, and we got a quote and everything, and then you came and visited us and we talked through the project. And we really liked the interaction and the fact that you know what you're talking about and you could explain the technology. And we were looking for a bit more of a high-end system, so we ended up with a Tesla battery and high-end solar panels. We believe it's worth investing in quality, really. And one of the things we really like that came across from previous videos and we've seen since is that you have follow-up. So we didn't want to go with somebody that basically installed a system, walked away, and we never saw them again. So it was really important to us that we felt that we had some customer service behind it.
And I think you really took the chance to understand us, to understand what we were trying to achieve with having the heat pump as well. We felt really comfortable with yourself.
We were actually looking at a different battery, and then you said, actually, for what you want, a Tesla would be a really good choice, so we ended up with that. And what we really liked about it was the fact that we could integrate it with Octopus, who are our energy company. So we went with the Intelligent Go, and we also got an EV charger from you as well, so we got the Zappy EV charger. And since then we've also gone for electric car, so it's all really integrated. And what we found since is with the net zero application as well, we can really synchronize everything really well. So we wanted a high-end system. We liked the fact that Tesla had got unlimited cycles, you got a 10-year warranty on it. It was 13.5 kilowatts, and it sounded, from what we'd read of the reviews of Tesla, really well supported. And then the eco panels, when we looked at the eco panels, the way they actually handle shading and things like that, we really liked. And we're getting really good results. So we've got, well, it was a 7.5 kilowatt system, but even as of the other day we were getting 6.5 kilowatts, so really pleased with it. And we also like all the way you've hidden all the cabling and things like that as much as you can. In terms of the biggest benefits is at the moment we've obviously had zero cost from an electricity point of view apart from the standing charge. So, and the other day, funny enough, we now own export controls, so the previous month we exported about £94 worth of electricity. And then the fact that, because we're rural, the fact that with the Tesla you can go off grid, it's really useful as well. So when we have power cuts, we can keep running and things like that. Can't fault you for service and the support and everything, so really happy. I don't know about you, Sharon.
Very happy. We've been very comfortable since we first spoke to you over the phone, and when we met you we knew we were going to go with yourself, so yeah, we've been exceptionally happy. And we've had very good comments from friends and family regarding the system, that it's so neat, you can hardly tell it's there. It fits in really well. We're just really pleased with it.
We found that very professional. You take care, you actually work with the people to find out where you want to put things, where we wanted to route the cables, what we wanted to do in terms of the panels. You gave us options and we could discuss the different options with you. And the fact that, like I say, we had a slight issue with our car charger, which was more to do with replacing an old car charger, so the fusing wasn't quite right, and you came back immediately and sorted that within a day. We really appreciated that.